Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now I'm going to show you exactly how I film an 11 out of 10 helmet head episode. Right from the intro to the epic riding along footage, every step of the video I'm going to go through. So if you want to film like I film, or if you want some tips and tricks, this video is for you. Okay, first things first, you need to come up with a video idea. Know what the video is going to be about and come up with a storyline in your head, a way of explaining it to people. Once you've kind of got that idea in your head, what you need to do is head off and find the perfect place to do your intro. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is film the intro. We found somewhere quite pretty, some nice fields and stuff behind us, and I'm going to use this. This is the DJI Pocket 2. This is my go-to vlogging camera, face-to-face. It's got a wicked motorised gimbal, and on the combo kit it comes with a wireless microphone as well. That means when I do the intro that we're going to keep quite sweet, I can get rid of most of the wind sound, because today is actually a rubbish day to film itself. So the intro is just quick and sweet, and then we play the intro credits, and then we actually explain a little bit more about the video. So first things first, let's do the intro. You ready? Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to tell you why I love to ride. Cue the intro. So with the short intro done, the credits now have rolled, the intro credits, and then what I like to do is I like to do a little bit more chatty to camera, talk about what the video is about before we jump on the bike. So of course, let's get that done. Riding a motorcycle, it's freedom. All the pressures of day-to-day life goes. Being able to get on that, taking all the smells, hearing the engine, hearing the roar, and riding. It's proper freedom. It reminds me of like when cowboys and their horses used to gallop across an open field into nothing but sunshine and amazement. This is my iron steed. This is what puts a grin on my face. Every time I turn that key, fire that bike up, I am just in my element. So what I like to do next is riding vlogging footage, and to do that I have a GoPro 10 attached to the front of my helmet. It has to have a media mod on it. Then I have a purple Panda microphone that gets tucked inside of the foam, and just the end of the lav mic that is poking out with a dead cat on, to basically cut down as much wind noise or any sort of noise that you're getting inside the helmet itself. Then on top of that, I run the Osmo Action 3. It's quick release, so you can take it on and off for when you want to jump off the bike. But what I like about cameras is that you've got an ultra wide lens view. It means you get to see more and more of you. And then what the key is to switch the footage about every 5 seconds. So depending on what you're filming, obviously if you're getting on the bike, or the bike maybe a bit longer, but when you're riding, but every 5 seconds I swap from the front camera to the helmet camera to the front camera to the helmet camera, and it kind of breaks the footage up, so you're not just watching one long reel of somebody just talking in one camera angle, because I find that really boring to watch. I like to swap between. And that's pretty much how I do it. So let's jump on the bike, let's make that scene happen. Are you recording? Sound test 2, sound test 2, sound test 2, retry. Twisting that throttle and the adrenaline pumping through your veins, taken into a bend as you lean over, feeling every single moment, the smells of the countryside, the roar of that engine as it deepens down and vibrates right to your soul. So what I like to do next is add in some 360 footage. So what I've got an Insta 360, and it's the 360R, and you can get a lot of newer versions of a lot of the kit that I've got, so there is better versions out, etc. But what I do is I put this on a selfie stick, and what I then do is I dangle it in different positions, and I film one long sort of piece. But what I do in the edit, and it comes with its own software, is I cut into it. Similar thing, 5 to 10 seconds, swap where I put the frames in. So let's jump on the bike, let's film this bit. So what we're going to do now is we're going to do the piece to camera just before we send up the drone, because the next shot's got to, of course, be an epic drone shot. You ready for this? Here we go. So of course it's not just riding a motorcycle, it's not just that sense of freedom, it's also the places that you can go. and the views that you can take in. I mean, check out this. So the next shot I like to do to add to the story, to keep it changing and changing, is send up the drone. Now this is the Mavic Air 2 drone, and it's fantastic. It's made by DJI. You've got a massive amount of range to it, and you can capture some epic shots. And like I keep saying all the way through, you can break up the footage in loads of different ways. So let's get this baby up in the air. Let's capture an epic shot to put into this video. One of my favourite things is the drone, because you just can't capture this in any other way unless you have a helicopter or I don't know, even a plane or something to be able to capture it. So let's send this up. So the drone's up in the air at the minute, and I've done that pull away shot and it's sort of going out. And now what I want to do is capture a couple of little other shots just to make it a bit more epic and put it all together. So we've got all of our little bits now. So it's that time where I'm going to finish the video. So I'm going to add pocket 2 again, the face-to-face part. Let's finish the video, and then we can go home and we can put it all together, all in its little jigsaw pieces, and build it into the video itself. So let's get this little video that I've made to show you how I do it finished. You ready? Right there is the reason why I write, because of all those feelings it gives me, the freedom, the power, the raw. Well, that is literally all of the bits of the jigsaw all put together, from the intro, the talking while riding, the 360 footage, more talking, sending up the drone, and then bringing it all back and finishing it on the final outro. Now, the thing of it is, I edit all of my software on Final Cut Pro, and I use an Apple MacBook Pro as well, because that's the software I like. There's loads of software out there, but I find it quite simple and quite easy to use. So we're back there now. I've obviously got to put the 360 onto its own Insta software, pick that, edit all that into one big thing as well, slice it all up, put it all together, edit it all together, and give you the final result. And that's how I do it. That's how I make an epic helmet head 11 out of 10 video. So I suppose the thing I need to do now is show you all of that hard work, put it all together. So ladies and gentlemen, I give you that little short video that we just created, as edited, done with the music and all the good stuff, and that hopefully you like, and hopefully inspire someone to pick up a camera, go out and vlog, or if you're already vlogging, you got some hints and tips from the entire thing. It's very much about breaking it up, putting it into sections and not just one long piece throughout the video, to make it eye candy is all I can say. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy it. I hope this has helped. Check out what we made. Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to tell you why I love to ride. Cue the intro.
This adventure is supported by Ashworth Automotive in Weston-super-Mare, the #1 garage keeping you and Helmet Head on the road.
Riding a motorcycle is freedom. All the pressures of day-to-day life goes. Being able to get on that, taking all the smells, hearing the engine, hearing the roar, and riding. It's proper freedom. It reminds me of like when cowboys and their horses used to gallop across an open field into nothing but sunshine and amazement. This is my iron steed. This is what puts a grin on my face. Every time I turn that key, fire that bike up, I am just in my element. When riding the bike, the freedom, the wind in your face, the power of just twisting that throttle, and the adrenaline pumping through your veins, taking into a bend as you lean over, feeling every single moment, the smells of the countryside, the roar of that engine as it deepens down and vibrates right to your soul. It's pure and utter freedom. It's a feeling that nothing else can give you in the world but a motorcycle. So of course it's not just riding a motorcycle, it's not just that sense of freedom, it's also the places that you can go and the views that you can take in. I mean, check out this.
Oh baby, I love your madness. It's so incredibly beautiful. Oh, you shine like gold, so selfless to all, and wild like an animal. Some would say I'm insane in the riding away, but I just love to play in your fun and your games. Always hungry for more, that's just how I was born. Take me somewhere I don't know, and give me your freedom. Whoa, you love me to pieces, yeah, I need it. Once you're pandemonium, life is so easy.
And right there is exactly why I love riding. All the feelings it gives me, the freedom, the roar, the engine, the iron steed, and the places it takes me to. It literally warms my soul. I love it. It brings a smile to my face every single time. Well, I can't wait to see you in the next bonkers helmet head adventure. So as always, ride safe, take care, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye for now.